Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing Infosys DSE interview experience. Guys, this interview happened recently only, that is on 12th May 2022. And guys, I'm really sorry that for a long time I was not able to make videos, but here I am with the new interview experience for the DSE candidate. Recently, many of you were requesting me that I should upload more such interview experiences as more dates have been announced for the DSC interview. So guys, make sure that you watch this video till the end and do not skip any question that has been discussed in this video. And guys, previously also I have made lot of videos based on interview expenses of Infosys, whether it is SC role, DSC role or SP role. All those videos you can find under this playlist, that is Infosys interview experience. I will give you the link of this playlist in the I button as well as in the description box. So make sure to visit this playlist because because for all the roles you can see here there are interview experiences. Total 29 videos are there for the Infosys interview experiences. And guys, we have started taking mock interviews for different companies. If you have having your interviews in coming days, then and if you are scared about your interviews, then do book your slot. The slots are very limited, so make sure that you can book the slot as soon as possible. You can simply come here and book your slot and you will take the mock interviews for the respective company for which you are booking the slot. The links of this also are given in the description box. So guys, now let's start this video, and before starting the video, please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel. Okay, so the date of the interview was 12th May 2022. The branch of my friend was ECE. The duration of the entire interview was 30 minutes. The first question that was asked from him was, as you all know, will be introduce yourself. And guys, this is very important part of your interview because this will tell the interviewer that in the college time what you have done, whether you have done internships, your projects, your skills, what are your skills, what are your extracurricular activities, and what all things you have achieved. You can tell everything in this particular question. It will help you in the process of the interview because many of the questions can be asked from this answer only. So prepare this question very well. Okay, next question was, do you know Java? So yes, my friend said yes, he knew Java. Next question was, tell all the OOPS concepts. And guys, again, it is very commonly asked as well as very important question of the interview. There are total 4 OOPS concepts. One is abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Now, I have discussed each and every of this concept in detail in the separate video in which I have discussed each and every OOPS concepts with their code. So you will be able to better understand in that video. So make sure that you watch that video after this video ends. The link you will find again in the description box or in the I button. Okay. Next question was, find the kth largest number in the given array. Run it and complexity of your code. So guys, since it is a DSC interview experience, they can ask you to share your screen and write the code on the compiler that they will give you, and you will have to run on the test cases that will be given to you. Plus you will have to also know that in what time complexity you are running your code. And guys, this same question was asked from our team in the mock interviews, and this question got repeated in actual interviews. So guys, please, again I am saying that if you have any doubts about your interview, that whether it will be good, are you nervous or not, you can simply book your slot with us and we will be happy to take your interview. Okay, so now moving ahead, if you want the answer to this question, you can simply find it on Google. That is, kth largest or smallest element in an array. How we have to find it? So we will be using heap to find it. The entire code you can see on this particular link. Okay. Next is, what are the different types of normal form? So there are basically 4 normal forms. One is 1NF, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and BCNF. So BCNF is the highest normal form. So I hope this question is also clear to you. Next question was, what is the difference between 1NF and 2NF? So guys, first difference is, in order to be 1NF, any relation must be atomic and should not contain any composite or multi-valued attributes. It means that in a single column, there should only be one value only. There must not be present 2 to 3 values. In single column, only one value should be present. Whereas in 2NF, a relation is said to be in 2NF if it is already in 1NF and it should not contain any partial dependency. Now, to know what is partial dependency, you must know what are prime and non-prime attributes in a table, and then you can understand what is partial dependency. So you can always Google about this term, that what is 1NF, 2NF, 3NF. So those of you who know what is partial dependency, that is good, but others can Google it. Okay, so I hope now the difference is clear to you. There are more differences in these forms. So the important thing is that you must know all the normal forms for the interview, plus you must know all the differences between these normal forms. Okay. Next, moving to what are integrity constraints. So guys, again, integrity constraints are very large amount of the constraints are there. So again, I will give you the link in the description box. You can do it. Okay. Next question was from operating system. Many of you were asking that operating system will be asked in the interview or not. So yes, basics of operating system can be asked in the interview, as well as basics of computer networks can also be asked. So in this particular interview space, these questions were asked like what are different scheduling algorithms. So there is first come first serve, shortest job first, priority based scheduling is there, shortest remaining time is there, and round robin is there. So again, you can learn about each of these algorithms in detail on Google or on in your semester answers. So these are very pretty easy questions. Now you just have to learn their definition, that what are they stands for and what is the process behind them. You do not have to go into numericals or anything, just have to know about them in single line definition. So I hope this is also clear to you. And guys, I am again reminding you that we are taking mock interviews for many companies. If you have interview for any of these companies in coming days, you can simply book mock interviews with us and we will be happy to take it. Okay, now moving to the next question. Next question is, what is the difference between TCP and UDP? So guys, one is connectionless and one is connection oriented. So again, to learn in detail that what is the difference between TCP and UDP, you can simply Google this. Again, I will give you this link in the description box. Visit this link to learn about these protocols. And again, many of you were asking that questions from computer networks are getting asked. So this is the most repetitive and most common question from computer network that has been asked. The other question was, what is OSI model and describe the layers of OSI model. So I hope this question is also clear to you. Okay, next question was, explain the binary search algorithm. So guys, again, if you are going to any technical interview, the searching algorithms as well as the sorting algorithms are very important. Searching algorithms include binary search and linear search, whereas sorting algorithms include bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort, selection sort. All these algorithms are very important with their time complexity and with their code. You must know all these things. So I hope this question also clear to you. The last question of this interview was, do you have higher education plans? So again, it is dependent on you whether yes or no. But if you want to get job, please say that no, you do not have any higher education plans, because if you will say yes, then the company will know that even if they select you, then after 1 or 2 years you will leave them because of higher education. So you can simply say that no, I don't have any higher education plan. I want to have practical knowledge on the technologies that I am using. So this can be a good answer for such type of questions. So I hope all these questions were clear to you. These were very simple questions, and guys, the only basic questions are getting asked in the DSE interview. So I hope you will be able to learn these questions and clear the interview. And if you have any doubts about for the interviews, or you are nervous about the interview, you can always book the mock interview with us. The links you will find in the description box. So guys, please hit the like button as well as the subscribe for this channel, and do share this video among your friends. Thank you for watching this video.